Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida with you. Today we are making a traditional melt-in-mouth biscuit that's been loved for generations. Nan Khatai. No oven needed, just simple ingredients and homemade comfort. Let's begin. In a bowl, take half cup besan or gram flour, 1/4 cup flour, and 1/4 cup suji or semolina. Add 1/3 cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon cardamom powder, and half teaspoon baking powder. Mix everything well. Besan is rich in protein and gluten-free. Suji adds fiber and makes the biscuit lighter. Now add 1/3 cup ghee and mix until it forms a soft dough. No refined oil, just ghee, which is healthier in small amounts. Traditional Nan Khatai doesn't use eggs, perfect for vegetarians. It's a popular bakery item, especially around festivals like Eid and Diwali. If the mixture feels dry, add 2 to 3 tablespoons milk, just enough to bind it together. Use room temperature ghee for easy mixing and smooth texture. Don't overmix the dough, just combine until soft. From the dough, take small portion and shape them round. Gently press a piece of dry fruit on top. Pistachio, almond or cashew, your choice. Grease a 7-inch mold with oil and place the Nan Khatai evenly spaced. Nan Khatai is believed to have originated in India during the Mughal era. The name comes from naan, bread, and khatai, biscuit in Persian. Now preheat a pan with a wire stand on medium-low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Place the mold inside and cook for 15 to 18 minutes on medium-low heat. Your kitchen will be filled with a beautiful aroma. Once done, let them cool and enjoy the delicious crunch and softness of the Desi-style cookies. Try this recipe. Tell us in the comments how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. We will meet again with another nostalgic and yummy recipe. Until then, stay happy and keep baking.